This is a short course on computer graphics, and the content has been taken from cvgr.korea.ac.kr. Very good material they have made. So we'll start. What is computer graphics? Computer graphics have various definitions, but the easiest definition is producing pictures and images using your computer. We'll see the different definitions. For example, here you have Starship Troopers like Tango, Rila, Death from Above. You can have pyro techniques like this. You can have a bug showing you a bug, or some final stage burning the bug, and the love dust, that is Batman and Robin you have seen. Then this is the love dust. Okay, so there are various things which can be represented by your computer graphics. These all are computer graphics. See, these are all the variations. We have videos also, but we'll see them later. But what is computer graphics? We'll read imaging, that is how to represent, first of all, how to model, then construct, then animate. So imaging is when we talk about as image. So we represent image through 2D array or 2D images representation is there. When we are modeling, if you are saying that we are imaging, we are representing 2D images. But we are modeling, we are actually representing 3D objects, three-dimensional objects. And when we are saying that we are rendering something, so we are constructing the 2D images from 3D models. So this is rendering, right? And when we are saying that we are animating, that is, we are just simulating changes over time. Applications are enormous of computer graphics. First and foremost is a display of information, designing, simulation, computer art, and of course entertainment, as we just saw in the previous slides. So display of information in terms of graphics for scientific, engineering, and medical data. This is a medical image. This is a nebula, right? Then graphics for engineering and architectural system, like design of building, or say automobile, or aircraft, machine, or even a house. So this is the example of AutoCAD, where you are designing. You can design the machine part. You can also design the building. This is the interior design, though it looks very natural, but you are aware that your house is going to look like this with the help of the computer graphics. Now this is the simulation, flight simulator. You cannot risk flight or a life. Okay, for that, first you are subjected to, or you are allowed to sit in a flight simulator or any other simulator of this kind. Then you learn, and once you are well versed, you are subjected to, or you have to take an exam. When you pass, then only you are supposed to go into the actual vehicle. So these are computer generated models of physical, financial, economic system for, say, educational purpose. This is Mars rovers simulator. This is a flight simulator. And of course the graphics for artists, your computer art. So now you have pen tablets also. You can just design. You can be an artist, good artist. So how you can change the picture from this to this, and this all design can be made through computer artists or like computer graphics. And the most important, which we all connect, or we easily know, that we are talking about the entertainment, whether it be a video game, virtual reality, movie, anything that makes us feel good and happy. These are all through our computer graphics only. So what is our scope? This is not a tutorial for any commercial software like 3D Max, Maya, Photoshop. All these you can learn easily. But this is not our scope. Our scope, I'll tell you what our scope is. We are not about some graphic business like 3D online game or e-commerce, etc. And graphics, that is algorithm for visual simulation. This is our scope. Imaging, modeling, rendering, and animation. So these are the 4 things which we will try to elaborate, and we'll tell you that what all algorithms are there, what is the basic science, what computer deals with, how you represent 2D, 3D, and how you render it. All those things we are going to cover. In imaging, we'll see warping, metamorphosis, non-photorealistic rendering. In modeling, we are going to see the surface modeling, the solid modeling, the procedure modeling, and the simplification. In rendering, that is the third phase I talked about. In rendering, we are going to see the polygonal rendering, the global rendering, and then the texture mapping. And in the final scene, animation, we'll talk about keyframe animation, inverse kinematics, dynamics, and motion capture. The textbook which this content follows is Computer Graphics C version by the great uh, Hearn and Baker. This is the second edition, and from Prentice Hall. Very good book. So the secret of success is learn the math and not just the hacks, because computer graphics is all about mathematics only. So just think before you code, because you're implementing maths. Try to develop visual debugging skills. Computer graphics will require it, and seek the help. Of course, some course like this before it's too late. So now we are introducing and starting and incepting the visual um, era or the computer graphics course, and we'll be covering this content of this book in later detail. Thank you so much.